So guys, this is part 3 of going to Switzerland. Hi Ming, let's go to Switzerland. I don't need my laptop because it's sobrang annoying. Oh my god, I need to carry this one. Hold this for me, sis. Let's go downstairs. Oh, the kitty is holding. I need to go downstairs. I'm here. Where's the letter CC? Let's go downstairs and go to the train. I think the kitty will be here and I'll pick it up with my little sis. So actually guys, I have a 3 minutes screen timing or videoing. So that's why I have part 2 things. Ganon. Oh, madaming dog. Ang mga cute. Oh god. Mga cute. See. So malakat na kami sa direct lang anay sa elevator. Actually guys, sa pagod kami kaliko, as in wala pa. Like nakarelate ka gid, like OMG. So tingnan sa lahat, wala kami ka. We're here at the out of our house. So we're going to the train. We're gonna wait to the train to pick us up. Need to sit right here. Oh, I have 5 minutes. I have 5 minutes to go to Switzerland. My flight is at 5 minutes, so we're gonna head. Oh, there's a train, let's go. So the cat will be here and you. So bye guys, see you on part 4.